Brian Jordan here from Jordan Sales, and I want to talk about the regen on the Kioti tractors. We get asked this question a lot. When your light comes on, what do I do? When your exhaust light comes on, it's telling you it's doing a regen all by itself, and you don't need to hit a button, cancel anything, change anything. Just leave your engine idle up high, keep working, your light's going to go out, and at that time your regen is done. But I want to show you how to do a manual regen, so you'll know what to expect maybe before your tractor gets to a automatic regen. So I've warmed this tractor up today. That is crucial. You're going to want to park it on pavement, gravel, outside your shop. And what we're going to do is we're going to start this tractor up at an idle, emergency brake set, in neutral, and you're going to hold the regen button down and count to about 10. At that time, that tractor is going to jump up to 1,500 RPMs, 2,000 RPMs, back down, back up. You just walk away, let your tractor do its thing, the light will go out, this tractor will be sitting in an idle, and at that time, you're good to go from there on out. So I'm going to start this tractor up, let it idle for just a second, I'm going to hold that button down, and you're going to hear the engine race up, and then we're going to be able to walk away, do another project while your tractor's doing a regen. Pretty simple. The regen is started, so now you're going to hear it idle up, and then that light will go out.